Prepare major appliances for a move the right way to avoid damage and voided warranties. Start by listing every appliance and reading the manufacturer instructions for moving and storage. For refrigerators and freezers, empty all food, defrost at least 24 hours before the move, and dry every surface to prevent mold. Use baking soda in an open container to neutralize odors and tape the doors closed gently with painter tape so seals are not damaged. For washers and dryers, secure the drum with transit bolts if provided, or use heavy moving straps around the casing and add extra padding between the drum and cabinet to prevent internal shock. Gas appliances require a licensed technician to disconnect the supply and cap lines safely, and you should carry written proof of disconnection for the mover and your insurer. Remove or secure loose parts such as shelving, gas hoses, water lines, and trays, and store small fasteners in labeled bags taped to the appliance so nothing is lost. Always use an appliance dolly rated for the weight. Strap the unit at multiple points to the dolly and tilt carefully to clear thresholds while keeping the load vertical to protect compressors and bearings. If an appliance will sit unused after the move, leave doors ajar slightly to allow airflow and consider a light moisture absorber to avoid mildew. The three most common mistakes are moving refrigerators without fully defrosting and drying, which causes leaks and mold, moving washers and dryers without securing the drum, which causes catastrophic internal damage, and attempting to disconnect gas appliances without a licensed technician, which risks leaks and can void insurance. For refrigerators, plan your defrost timing around the move and use towels and a shallow tray to catch melt water so floors are protected. For washers and dryers, always install transit bolts or use heavy straps and document their placement with a quick photo so you can reassemble correctly. For gas appliances, call a licensed technician to shut off and cap lines and keep the receipt and technician contact information handy for the new location. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for moving-related appliance work and offers a space where contractors can find jobs that match their skills. We host a discussion community on the site where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips and vendor recommendations to make moves safer and smoother for everyone.